Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband and I made a decision to keep our old van until it dies, but that darn van just keeps running. So inevitably, car repairs are a must. And that's why we're thankful for this brushless impact wrench from Bingoway. This impact wrench has solved the problem of stubborn lug nuts and bolts that always come with car repairs. It made removing the lug nuts so easy. It was only a matter of moments to jack up the van and completely remove the tire. My husband was very impressed by all of the different settings on this impact wrench. He also liked the fact that he could use all of the tools in the kit, but also his own sockets fit on there very well. The control panel was easy to operate and understand, and overall just a great feature on this impact wrench. This tool is small but mighty. The kit comes with the impact wrench, 2 batteries, 5 sockets, 8 drill bits, and 10 screw bits, all of which are easy to connect and comfortable to work with. We were both impressed by how well made this impact wrench is. We've put it through a variety of different jobs, and we were impressed by how well it tackled each situation. Because it's so many different tools in one, it's very nice to have around the house for a variety of different jobs. And I love that everything fits so nice in the carrying case for easy, low-maintenance storage. So if you're ready to make car and household repairs a little simpler and time efficient, then I think you're going to love this 4-in-1 high torque impact wrench from Bingoway. And that's my point of view.